اللهم رحمتك أرجو فلا تكلني إلى نفسي طرفة عيني وأسلم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. From our Makkah and Madina hotel tour series, today I am going to bring you inside a iconic property located in Aziziah, which is more convenient for the Hajj. Let me go inside the hotel and show you their hotel room setup and their facilities. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, you can do subscribe my channel and get to know about the Makkah and Madina hotels as well as Nusuk Hajj details. Actually, Holiday Inn Aziziah hotel location is very promising and it is more convenient for the Hajj pilgrimage. You can see the hotel here, and let me show you the Mina bridge over there. So one of the most popular street, which is called Shari Siddiqui, which means the Siddiqui street, is more closer to this property. And when you are staying here in Holiday in Aziziah, you have 24/7 shuttle bus service from hotel to Haram and vice versa. They will pick you from the Haram and again they will drop you in this same hotel. When you are staying in Holiday in Aziziah, mashallah, you can see the lobby, how spacious and largest lobby in Aziziah hotels.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hamdi. I'm sales manager of Holiday Inn Makkah Al Aziziah. My pleasure to welcome and to serve you at your second home, Holiday Inn Makkah Hotel. Our hotel location is located to the main road to Aziziah, next to shops, malls, restaurant and cafes. All what you need, inshallah, will see here in our hotel and is next to us. Thank you. Inshallah, we'll see you soon, bismillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
This is the elevator of Holiday Inn Makkah. MashaAllah, you can see the beautiful corridors of Holiday Inn Makkah. Let me enter one triple room, the room number 158. Once I enter, you have your washroom in your left side, 3 towels, and you have amenities here, soaps and shampoo. Sleepers, weighing machine, you have iron and iron table, and this is the tea and coffee making facilities. This is your kettle, you have Lipton yellow label and some green tea and welcoming water bottles. Actually, this hotel belongs to IHG Hotel Group, which is one of the world leading hotel service provider. Let me show you the view of this room. Let me zoom it for you, the clock tower.
اللهم رحمتك أرجو فلا تكلني إلى نفسي.
The best thing I like from this room is their table and chair here. Whenever you feel to work, you can come and sit in this chair, start with your laptop, and also your room is here. So what do you think about the Holiday Inn hotel rooms? Now let me show you one quad room which has 4 beds inside. Room number 152. Once I enter, see the beautiful and spacious room here. This is the standard quad room. You have your table and chair, it's your work desk, and here your beds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beds. And from your room, you can enjoy the nighttime view of clock tower. Again, you have tea and coffee making facilities here. You have 4 water bottles to welcome you. This is your TV. This is your luggage rack. Open this please for me, brother. You have bathrobe, and you have iron and iron table, and you have sleepers, and you can check or measure your weight. And also this is your another closet, and you have your safe box here. And this is your washroom. You have 4 towels for 4 guests and 4 fresh hand towels. This is your shower cabin. So let me enter one twin room to show you how the room setup is. Once I enter, I have 2 beds, mashallah. Again, you have your workstation here, and this is your mini bar. This is your washroom. And from this room, you can enjoy the entire city view of Makkah. So now you have got the idea of double room, triple room and quad room. Let me go and show you the suite rooms of Holiday Inn Aziziah Makkah. This is one of the suite room of Holiday Inn Aziziah Makkah. Let me go inside and show you the suite or room setup. Wow, mashallah. Once I enter, I have a large hall in front of me, and I have here one separate kitchen, and you have dining table, mashallah. MashaAllah, this is called Ambassador Suite, which is one of the largest room type of Holiday Inn Aziziah Makkah, which has one big hall here. Then again you have one bedroom over there, and this is your kitchen, and you have dining table. And again, if I turn, you have another one bedroom here inside this large unit. I believe this will be very much suitable for the big families who are coming with their parents and kids, so everyone can enjoy their stay here. Now I'm in the main hall. If I turn left, I have here 3-bed separate room, and I can close this one if I want. For an example, if I'm coming with my kids, I can let them here. I can close this one. Here is the common seating area for everyone. Here is your dining table. Here is your kitchen. You have microwave. You have electric ovens. And if I enter my right side, you will find your king size large bed. So this is your room, and this is your hall. And one thing I would like to tell you, that some of you from Europe, USA, Canada would like to come and stay in Makkah for months, like 2 months or 3 months or 1 month, or even entire Ramadan. If you are planning for such trips, this kind of units will helpful for you. Why? Because you can stay here like you are staying in your own home. It's more homely, and the staffs are here very friendly, and you have from hotel to haram 24/7 shuttle service. So you can stay here as like your home, and you can go to haram, pray, and then come back here. Previously, I viewed you the room with one large living area as well as 2 separate units connected to that one. So it's 2-bedroom suite room. And this one is like 1-bedroom suite with 1 hall and 1 room. Once I enter, you have your washroom here, and this is your large king size bed. This is your workstation, and here you have another workstation, and this is your seating area. Here you have, mashallah, a mini kitchen with full facilities. And this is your second bathroom, and this is your cupboard. The thing about that suite, mashallah, it's very nice. And if you would like to stay long days, like months, 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, this one will be best fit for you, because it will not harm your budget. And now I'm going to bring you inside one room which is specialized for the honeymooners, those who are coming, young couples after their marriage, those who would like to spend some time in Makkah. This is the best place for them. Let me go inside. Once I enter, you have your seating area and your workstation, and you have, mashallah, the Makkah city view. This is the main streets of Aziziah, and that mountain connected to the Mina. That area is the Mina area. As usual, you have your cupboards here, and this is your second room, mashallah, with the full panoramic view of Makkah. Now you can see the Mina bridges over there. And this is the beautiful city view of Makkah. And here is your nice and large king size bed. Again, here you have a workstation. And in my left side, this is your washroom. These are your washroom amenities. This is your shower cabin. And you have a large mirror over there. What do you think about this room? I know some of you from Europe, you have family in USA, and sometimes you have family in Australia. You would like to arrange marriage for your kids. That time, if you would like to arrange the marriage in one place, the Holiday Inn Makkah Aziziah is best place. They have ballroom for the marriage parties, as well as they have honeymooner setups inside the room, and you have large suites. You can stay with your entire family here in one place in Aziziah. By the way, way, mashallah, Holiday Inn Aziziah, they have their own gym inside their hotel. Let me show you the gym setup here. Mashallah. This is their gym. This is your swimming pool. This view will be very beautiful in the night times, but I am here in the evening, and this is Holiday Inn Aziziah, Makkah.
اللهم رحمتك أرجو فلا تكلني إلى نفسي طرفة.
So this is the first time I visit a hotel where it has the swimming pool inside the hotel in Makkah especially. And if you know any other hotel where it has swimming pool, you can come on. Mashallah, this hotel is very nice and very large, but only the thing is the location is little far from the haram. The location is in the Aziziah, but for the Hajj, this location is very convenient. This is the sample of Holiday Inn Aziziah, Makkah. Mashallah, it's raining in Makkah. Holiday Inn Hotel is there, and here you have Kukh, one of the famous Yemeni restaurant here, and you have Nouri supermarket over there, and you have a pizza corner as well as falafel, shawarma, and all the Arabian foods are available here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you feel this video is informative for you and your family, do subscribe and do share with your family members, and see you in another video next time inshallah. Yalla ma assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.